Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. I'm your Excel Guru and I have brought in a new feature or formula of Excel today for you. It is called Averageifs. Yes, we have done Averageifs is the name of this formula. We have done average, we have done average if, we are doing average ifs. Say for example, we need to take an example, say for Alex. Here is a range. Say we have the name of a few people: Alex, Ram, John, Mike, Alex, Singham. Oh, Singham. This happens to be name of a super hit movie in India, which is a rage right now. So then again, Alex, Ram, John, Mike, Alex, Singham. And these are the products these people are selling. BlackBerry, my favorite. iPhone, something I don't like very much. And then BlackBerry iPhone. These are the quantity these people have sold. So if we want to average out, like for Alex, what is the average count of Blackberries that he has sold? All right. So how can we do that? This will be done using Averageifs. So we type in is equal to average average A, average if, average ifs. Everything is being covered by me already. I'm super. I'm just an Excel Made Easy guru. Average ifs, double click. Yep. Now it says average range. So that means the actual numbers which need to be averaged. So take that range, press a comma. Now what is highlighted? Criteria range 1. So you select your criteria range 1. For me, criteria range 1 is the names of the people, and I press a comma. What is highlighted? Criteria 1. So what is my criteria 1? The name of this person, Alex. I select it, comma. Criteria range 2. My criteria range 2 is the product, and my criteria again, comma. It says criteria 2 is Blackberries. So I close this bracket over here, and the answer is 14.5. That means the average number of Blackberries sold by Alex every time was 14.5. How? See, Alex Blackberry 18, Alex Blackberry 22, Alex Blackberry 8, Alex Blackberry 10. So what it has done, it has added these quantities wherever Alex and Blackberry matched. So it added them up and then divided by the count of it. So the answer is 14.5. It's a wonderful thing to use. A very good formula, very helpful. Available only in Excel 2007 and above. How to use it in a different manner, a easier manner? You click on formulas, insert function, type in Averageifs. I hope I have typed in the spelling right. Yes, Averageifs. So click OK. Average range. This is the actual numbers which need to be averaged. Criteria range 1. This is my criteria range 1. Criteria 1. I can select criteria 1 from here itself. I'm choosing it for Alex. Criteria range 2. Blackberry, this product range. Criteria 2 is, say, Blackberry. And the answer is, okay, 14.5. Wonderful formula, isn't it? Well, it's not easy. I am sorry, I did not write. It's C-U-L-T, difficult. It's not even difficult. It's medium, actually. M-E-D-I-U-M. Medium. So, this Excel file that you're looking at in this video is available for free download on my website excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. A wonderful website. I made it myself, so it has to be wonderful. Just joking, brother. So this is my website, excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. You can go to the training files page and download the Excel file for free. And there are a few links. This is my website. There are my videos. My total tutorials are over here. If you see my tutorials, sorry, these are the explanations I give for my videos, theory, and this is a list of my videos. Awesome list, more than 100 videos. And these are the links to my social networks: Twitter, Facebook. I would like you to follow me on Twitter. Click over here, go to Twitter, just type in Excel Made Easy, you will be able to search me. I would like you to follow me over there, and you will have access to my daily tips or my insights which I share on Twitter. Also, you will be able to retweet my work and share my knowledge with everybody else, which is my logo. And this is my Facebook page. Just go to Facebook and type in Excel Made Easy, select and like me over there, and then also share my work with others if you believe that what I'm doing is right, what I'm doing is supposed to be shared with people, because that's what I believe in, that knowledge is to be shared. And finally, last but not the least, my wonderful YouTube page. It's very difficult to see pages like this because you have tabs over here. Hindi will click. If you click over here, it will take you to my Hindi link, Hindi playlist. Click over to English, it will take you to my English playlist. If you click over here, it will take you to my Excel Made Easy website. It will take you directly to my Facebook page, and this will take you to my Twitter page. All built in one. So you can click over here and subscribe to me on YouTube. It will help you in finding me on YouTube very easily, and you will also get access to my bulletins which I post on YouTube, and you will also be notified by YouTube whenever there is a new video uploaded by me. So this is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning.
ये जो वीडियो आप देख रहे हैं, ये और इसके जैसे बहुत सारे वीडियो अवेलेबल है मेरे वेबसाइट myelesson.org पे। यहाँ पे जाके आप उनको देख सकते हैं। कुछ ट्रेनिंग फाइल्स भी हैं जिनको आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। साथ में ही इस वीडियो के बारे में अगर आपके कुछ क्वेश्चंस हो तो आप जरूर यहाँ पे कमेंट्स में लिखिएगा, मैं आपको जवाब दूंगा। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो जरूर लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। अगले वीडियो तक के लिए दिस इज योर गुरु नाउ signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy learning.